Hello, today we're discussing section 1.3, linear functions. We'll be talking about problem 11 and problem number 12. In problem 11 and 12, we are given a point and the equation of a parallel line. Let's look at problem 11. They ask us to graph 3x and graph 3x minus 4. Do you remember that I can just take that graph, grab a hold of it, and shift it down 4? Let's see if we can do that. The graph of 3x. Should we plot a few points? If I plug in 0 for x, the y value is 0. If I plug in 1 for x, the y value is 3. Let's plot those points. So 0, 0, and 1, 3. There's the equation of your line, graphed. Now, what about this line? If I plug in 0, the y value is -4. If I plug in 1, 3 minus 4 would be -1. You can always graph a line or graph any function by plotting points. It's great to plot points, but we also have to look for patterns. Okay, let's look at this. 0, -4, and then 1, -1. And you see your line. There's the graph of your line. Notice that f of x and g of x are parallel. They have the same slope. Do you see that I just grabbed that line and shifted it down 4? Let's look at problem number 12. Find the equation in slope-intercept form of a line that passes through the point -8, 3 and is parallel to 2x minus 3y equals 10. Remember, when you're asked to write the equation of a line, you start with the slope. How do I figure out the slope? Boom, it tells me it's parallel. What do I know about parallel? It's the same slope. But this isn't slope-intercept form. So step 1 is get that line into slope-intercept form so you can figure out the slope. Subtract the 2x. So -3y equals -2x plus 10. Then divide by -3. So y equals, divided by a -3 would be 2/3 x, blah, blah, blah. We only care about the slope. All right, now I know that this line has a slope of 2/3. What's the slope of a parallel line? So my line will have the same slope of 2/3. I want slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b. I can plug in the 2/3, and they also give me a point. So I use that point to plug in for x and y. So x will be -8, y will be 3. My slope will be 2/3. And then I can use that to solve for b. Let's do it. 3 equals 2/3 times a -8 plus b. So this would be -16/3. So 3 equals -16/3 plus b. Add 16/3 to both sides. So this would be 3/1. And remember, to get the common denominator of 3, I'd multiply by 3. So this becomes 9/3. Okay, so 16 plus 9 is 25/3 equals b. We don't care about fractions. You've got this. You can do them. So y equals 2/3 x plus 25/3. Y equals mx plus b. Great job. We'll see you next time.